It's recording. It's recording. Hi, guys. Long time no see, or talk, or see. I'm holding it so it doesn't fall. Please don't fall. Okay, for the camera's sake. What is today?
Today is
Sunday, July 9th. Ow. Okay, is it gonna stay? I'm paranoid. It's not. Do you see me?
And
I hope
it's somebody's birthday today.
Yes, it is our friend's birthday today. That's why I'm dressed up. I mean, you dressed up too.
I was gonna be dressed up. I couldn't find my favorite black shirt.
That's why I'm dressed up. He couldn't find a shirt. But I'm dressed up. But we're going to our friend's casa to meet everybody up. So we will then go to Kobe's.
Because I'm hungry.
And I'm so hungry. I'm so excited to eat Kobe's.
I wanna
Baby
go
Mendes
now.
is so excited to eat Kobe's. It's gonna be lit. This is the mixed dirty Kobe's, if you ask me. You didn't ask me, but I still told you. You didn't ask me, but I still told you.
Tell them you were bloated this morning.
Okay, update. 2 weeks?
She's still pregnant.
No, really, I haven't had a baby yet. In 2 weeks, it's the gender reveal. And guess what? I'm about to post a gender reveal video. Obviously after the party, because we're having a gender reveal party, which is in 2 weeks. So in 2 weeks, you guys will find out if it is a boy or a girl. Even though we both think it's a boy. You agree you think it's a boy? We think it's a boy.
Yeah, it's a boy.
Everyone thinks it's a boy. I have a feeling it's a boy now.
What everybody's doing on
But then-
purpose. What everybody's doing on purpose
Yeah.
to make it look like a boy, but then,
And then-
it's a girl.
And then it turns out it's a girl. I'm gonna start crying. Like a mini me. A mini me. A mini me.
For real.
But I think it's a boy. We think it's a boy. So yeah. The camera's gonna fall because damn curvas that I don't got time for. So, anything else to
I don't
say?
know if we're gonna take a video inside Kobe's, but
Probably not because I'll be too shy.
or
But-
you don't have to talk. You just show like when they
True.
come in front of us.
But, oh yeah, true. I might, you right. Or you can. He might be the cameraman in Kobe's.
Maybe we'll see.
Maybe. But, so, like I said, we're on our way to our friend's house, so I'll just see y'all when we get there. Okay? Bye. Kaya, say hi. Kaya, look, say hi. Oh, he's the one with the drone over there. Wait, where is he? There's a guy over there in that truck sitting. He has a drone. Where's the drone now? I don't know. Don't ask me. But, and his truck is over here in Daytona. So, there's some trucks everywhere. Look, there goes a truck coming. Oh, and there's a story behind his damn umbrella. This umbrella wouldn't stay up, right? It wouldn't stay up. We're about to pee our pants. That was funny. Look at Kaya over here eating. Kaya, look. Say hi. Look with her Cheetos. That's all she eats is her Cheetos.
Say hey.
Say hi, Kai. No, look, there she goes with her hand in my Cheeto bag when she had her own Cheetos right there. Look, there goes more trucks.
Even the lifeguards truck.
Yep, look, all the... There was a few really lifted trucks. I don't see them. They were like crazy colors. But now I don't know where they are. What, Kai? What happened? Did they stop somebody or someone parking? Oh no, they're like blocked over there. Hi. The sand. This is Daytona Beach if y'all didn't know. This is Daytona. Shoot, I want a drone. I want a drone. I want to do that. That's cool. Shoot. Look, there goes a Denali. Did I say Denali? I think that's a Denali. Yeah, Denali. Lift it. It's coming up. Oh wait. There goes that Denali. The white one, you see it? Another little Silverado or something. I don't know. Don't ask me. A Tundra.
He's like, I'm just here to fish. Like a fish pole.
Oh, he's like, I don't care about trucks. We shoot. Oh, look, there he goes with the drone. Can you see it? I see. Yeah, I got on camera. I see it. He's over here with the drone, doing his thing, getting some footage. He's probably vlogging. He's probably vlogging with that drone. Okay, they're coming up at GMC that's lifted, that has like green accents. I'm about to show you. There's been a few trucks already that are like super ridiculously lifted. Oh, there's 2 trucks coming up actually. I guess it seemed Denali. No, it's a Silverado. I don't know what's causing all this traffic in the beach right now, but there goes that Denali with green. There goes another, what is that, a Silverado? Oh look, there goes a few Silverados lifted. Another one. That one. That Ford F-150 lifted. Okay. Uh-oh, dance Kaya. Kaya, dance. Dance Kaya. A Ram lifted. See, you see all these trucks? I told you it was truck week. I told y'all, look, another truck lifted. It is going on. It's popping around here. You see the view? It's nice out today. Kaya, say bye. Kaya. Look, Kaya's dancing to the music coming out the truck. Look at all of them. They're all there talking with themselves, amongst themselves. With their damn truck. Like, hey, I got a truck. You got a truck? Oh, look, hold on. There's another truck coming. A Ram. This is ridiculous. This is so ridiculously lifted. Look. Oh, that's the guy with the drone, actually. He's in that Ram. You see a drone? See that little white thing?
Come on, dude.
Okay, yeah.
You want a drink?
But, alright, well.
Let me get you some.
Wait, hold on. Well, I'm about to end this right here. The lifeguard's in front of me. He's trying to get through, but he can't.